Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 92 Ford Mustang, and I think I bought this during 2024, but I do remember, I didn't buy anything during 2025 in this particular casting. So it's 179, that was the MRP at that time. Yeah, you can see it was 2024, March 2024. Wow. Okay, because I took this from my old dump. So I told you guys long time back, I have still like I think around 50 cars or so from 2023 and 2024. So we are going to unbox everything in that year. Okay, cut it out. Okay. So here it is. So I'm actually planning to do a muscle car week. Like the whole 6 days is going to be like full of muscle cars from Hot Wheels. So I already kept that aside. So you'll be seeing that soon. That looks really cool actually. Okay. So here is the card art. Looks really good. So let me put this aside. So here is the casting itself. Okay, the casting feels a lot heavy. It has good interior detailing to it, and good that they went with at least 90% transparent windshield. That is really great. And paint job wise, it looks okay. I don't see any. Okay, I spoke too soon. There is a paint rashes here, paint bubbling. So apart from that, so it has headlight details, which is really good, and it doesn't have the Ford logo here. That is the literally, one highlighted thing in that card. You can easily see the Ford logo, but it is not here. Okay, so it doesn't have any tail light details here. Okay, the hood looks really cool. I do love this kind of hoods. So the rims are plastic. The chassis has good amount of detailing, which is really great to see. It's been so long, since I saw Hot Wheels with good chassis detailing. Okay, this is a 2007 casting. It seems they are just reusing the same. I know they reuse everything, but I'm not expecting from 2007. Okay, so so the body is fully metal, including the spoiler here. The chassis is fully plastic, and okay, I was thinking that was a wiper detail, but it's just a dashboard. Okay, so let's weigh this casting now. Yeah, I told you guys that was heavy, 44 grams. Oh, that is really nice. Okay, I'm hoping that this would really roll well. Let's see. Okay, it does roll good. Maybe not fast or anything, but at least it is doing its job. The rear wheel wobbles a little bit, but it's negligible. Okay, let's rate this casting. So it has typical Hot Wheels everything. So there is no necessity to reduce any points. So 10 out of 10 for this casting, and it is really heavy. So I personally started collecting Ford Mustangs first of all, and then I moved to. I mean, even though I'm a fan of Lamborghini, I might have told this multiple times, but since I unboxed a Ford casting, I thought of telling this again. So I started out with Ford collections, so that's how I bought these three as well. This was a set back then. These three Maestro muscle machines and looked really cool. So all these three are my personal favorite. This one is the Mustang Boss, and this one is the Chevy pickup, I guess, and this one is the Plymouth. So these are by Maestro. So I bought this entire set for only 750 rupees also. Nowadays, people are selling each for 750 rupees. I do have a lot more muscle machines with myself, so I will be unboxing that in some time. So those are the first. This one is the first, and there are a lot more. I even did a tour on that some time back. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.